Today I will share with you how a robot that cost just $197 achieved a $3,200 withdrawal, and that is the ultimate proof of whether a robot or a strategy actually works. And here it is, your recent withdrawal request has been approved, $3,200. And that's with the trading.com platform, which I showed a few times in the channel. I'm using actively, and this time I achieved the next level with the Forex Gold Investor. And here is the platform. You can see that I am trading just the Forex Gold Investor. And if I show you the account history, you'll see that I now have $40,000 to trade with, or that's 4,000 as deposit, 36,000 as credit. The profit is 6,000. This might be a little bit complicated. It was for me at the beginning as well, but I will explain. Just stay with me. And I'm on the next stage. I have the Forex Gold Investor trading, but let me start from the beginning. So I started with $10,000 account. It is a deposit of 1,000 plus the credit of 9,000. And it actually costs $1,000 to get the account, and they give you the additional 9,000. Once you achieve 20% profit, you can request your first withdrawal and you can scale it up. And let me show you the website. I'll just drop it on my recording screen and I'll show you exactly how it works. So the best thing and what grabbed my attention at the beginning was the fact that I can use expert advisors comfortably, no restrictions, and there are no daily drawdowns. The only drawdown is 10%. And you can see that to progress up at each stage, hit a minimum of 20%. So I bought $1,000 account, which gives you an equity of $10,000. And once I achieve 20%, or that is $2,000, I can withdraw 80%, which I did, and it's a withdrawal of $1,600. Then I went to the next stage. You can see them right in here. So on stage 2, you get 20x of the equity, or I got 20k account, and again my target was 20%, and I achieved that again with the Forex Gold Investor. And now I'm on the third stage, and if we do the math quickly, achieving 20% is 4k, and from those I can get 80% net profit. That is 3,200. And now I have the 40k. If you see it right in here, 4k plus 36 credit, and if I achieve 20% again, that would be 8,000, and I'll be able to withdraw, pay attention, 70% out of that, or that would be 5,600. But that's the next target. It didn't happen yet. I don't know if it will happen. What happened until the moment is I got the 80% out of the 2k, which was 1,600 plus 3,200 now, that is 4,800. I have spent 1,040 account, and I have spent $197 for the Forex Gold Investor, and that's the website. Let me quickly check if the price is still the same. I don't want to give you false information. Yeah, 197. I remember it was discounted also when I bought it, and I have a total profit of $3,600. And if I again achieve 20%, it will be way bigger profit. But on the next stages, the net profit decreases. So it's 60% at stage 4 and 50% at stage 5. But that would be like a lot of money for me if I have to be honest. So that would be 16k on stage 4, where I'll be trading 80k. And if I achieve the 20%, that would be 16k, and 60% out of the 16k would be $9,600. And on the last stage, which is stage 5, $200,000. Let me see how much would be the profit, $40,000. And if I get 50% out of that, that would be 20k. Not a bad bad deal, guys, but you have to achieve 20%. So far, in stage 1, I achieved it with one of the prop firm robots that I found with the dollar yen. Then I switched to the Forex Gold Investor. And for this stage 3, where I'm at the moment, I'm planning to trade the Forex Gold Investor and one more robot for bigger risk diversification. But before I show it to you, let me show you the track record from right in here, and you will see how long it took until the moment. So 223 days is the history. You can see that initially I achieved the profit right at that moment. That was stage 1. Then I received the next account. Actually, it's the same account. They just add the money and you can request the withdrawal. And from the 2nd of December 2024 until 2nd of March, actually the profit was reached earlier. Yeah, it was on the 17th of February. And once I achieved the profit, I just stop the algo trading, right? I don't risk it. At the end of the month, they will overview your account. If you didn't break any rules, and actually there are no rules with trading.com, you get your money for the next stage and you can withdraw the profits. And now I am on the next stage, and already there are some profits from the Forex Gold Investor. But because I want to decrease a little bit the risk and I want to diversify more, I would be adding the most profitable expert advisor from all of our funded accounts. So at the time of recording the video, it is the Forex Gold Investor, and right in here I have the sharpshooter from the Powerhouse EA. And I will just add it to the account because in this account I want to trade the best performing EAs from my other accounts. So this really is a great opportunity. I bought the account for $1,000. I used the EA I wanted to trade because unlike prop firms, there are no restrictions regarding the type of EA you can trade with. What more do I need? And if you missed the video where I review the sharpshooter, click the video on my side. And as always, don't forget I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!